Good morning, my beautiful YouTube family. Yes, y'all, I have a bit of a cold, but I don't feel too bad. So we played in some makeup today. We did this beautiful glitter blue eyeshadow look by a Copacetic Cosmetics with the cutie bag that arrived for August. You guys want to see how I did this look and what all we got in our cutie bag for just $12? You know what to do. Right. Good morning, good morning, good morning, you guys. Welcome to all our new subscribers. I'm Sunny. This is Sunny's Place. And we do a lot of unboxings and giveaways and tutorials and a lot of chit-chats here. That's for you. You know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and you'll get to see it all. Especially if you subscribe and leave me a comment if you're a new subscriber, because every week Noah and I go through the comments and we pick out a secret giveaway winner. All right, loves. We are going to unbox our Copacetic Cosmetics Cutie Bag for the month of August. Yes, your girl played in glitter this month on her eyeballs and on her lips. I don't do glitter, y'all. I'm almost completely blind in my right eye, so I don't ever want to do anything to jeopardize my left eye. But I think I'm kind of getting a good handle on this glitter stuff and the glitter glue and all that good stuff. So as I'm going through this and showing y'all, I'm going to go ahead and start playing the little makeup tutorial I did for you guys when I did this look here. And it'll be down here in one of these corners or maybe up there. It'll be playing somewhere for y'all. And as always, if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments, you guys. All right, loves. Copacetic Cosmetics Cutie Bag is $12 a month. You will receive 4 items. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's right. 4 items. That is 3 items that you get to pick. Every month she has an eyeshadow, a lipstick, and a nail polish that you get to pick which one that you want on your choice date. And then she also sends a mystery item. So you get 4 items total for just $12. Now, everybody who watches my channel knows I stay hooked up with Copacetic Cosmetics for her eyeshadows. Y'all, I picked a glitter last month for this month's eyeshadow. Did I have fun playing in it? Heck yeah. Am I going to get more glitters? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I picked a rough one to play with. I picked the blue one here, as you can see, and it's a lot easier to apply with your fingertip than it was my normal little sponge that I use here. So I did start using this down in the video when I tried to apply it, and it just seemed like it clumped up a bit, and it was easier to blend out or pat on even with my fingers. So that's what I did. So we're just going to go ahead and get into it. This is the gloss that we got this month. There is a glitter flakes in here, and it looks like little leaf confettis in here. And y'all always know the writing's so darn small, I can't tell you what it is. This is called Queen of Hearts. So that's going to be a little heart confetti in here. Now, when I went to apply it, as you'll see in the video, I did not get any of the heart confetti on my lips, just the glitter. That's all. So it's a clear gloss with some glitter in it and some red flakes that look like hearts. Next thing we got here is this turquoise kind of blue, gosh darn, I want to say almost sky blue with turquoise hints in it, nail polish. I am going to go and do a swatch for you guys. I do need to redo my nails. So when I go ahead and get them done, as always, I will post a picture up on Instagram of them. I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch here with the white background for you guys, so you can see exactly what it's going to look like. So it's a light, light blue. Okay, there we go. That's a little bit better. Well, there she is. That is the shade. And the shade name is, we'll have to look and see. Ha! Who are you? And these are always 5 milliliters. And here are all the past ones that I have gotten right there. I do love her nail polishes. They are gorgeous. I love when I actually get the matte shades instead of the glitter ones. I love that so much. The next thing we got is this Perfume But the kicker is it also has glitter in it. Now, when I first sprayed this, you guys, it seemed mighty strong to me. Mighty, mighty strong. So I'm not going to spray it back on my body. I actually had to wash it off while I was applying my makeup because of the cold. But also because it upset my allergy. So we're going to go that... Oh, gosh darn it. Yeah, the nozzle was sprayed this way. That's going to be fun. It smells good. And I don't know if the camera will pick that up or not. It does spray the little glitter flakes on you. Yeah, they're all over my hand now. That's fun. I really don't like the scent of this. I just really, really don't. I'm a snob when it comes to perfumes and my eyeshadows and I don't know, anything I'm going to put on my body, I'm kind of snobbish about. I don't know how else to explain it. I don't care for that scent at all. And I don't know if there's a name on it. I didn't see it. It has the Copacetic Cosmetics and it says Mobile Vulgaris. Well, that's what she says. I don't care for that scent, y'all. I really don't. I wanted to show you guys before we get to the glitter eyeshadow that your Copacetic Cosmetics Cutie Bag always comes so well packaged. You're always going to get it in this silver envelope. It's one of the padded envelopes. And she puts all the item in this bag and then she folds it over so it's like triple, quadruple bubble wrapped and places it all inside here. So it's always very well wrapped. Your eyeshadows will always be in a compartment like this. Now, there is another compartment that slides down in here, you guys, that actually holds, it's in there. This is what your eyeshadow actually comes in. Just like so. And y'all, I'm telling you, this is definitely a glitter shadow. It just literally went over like this. And then it slides right down in here, and then it has a clear sheathing over the top to where that does not get messed up. So yes, very well packaged. And as I've already said, you guys, I keep my Copacetic Cosmetics because I thoroughly enjoy her eyeshadows. Love, love, love them. So here's the shade that I picked out. This is called Alice Liddell. Liddell. As you can see, your girl dug into it a little bit to get it applied to the eyes here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch for you guys. Man, y'all, I got glitter everywhere. Everywhere is glitter, glitter. Now, with glitters, watch. Yeah. With glitters, I do circle it around like 3 times and then do my swatch, as opposed to matte eyeshadows. I just do once and then swipe. So here she is with no primer, no nothing on underneath. Yes, it does have dry, flaky glitter in it. It does. But with a glitter glue, as you can see and down in the video, it applies quite well, but it does stay on your finger quite well also. So it is a good glitter eyeshadow, and I think that people who are like more familiarized with working with glitter shadows would actually love them a lot. It applied quite well, and then when I was like trying to let it settle down into the glue, it's like I used the e.l.f. glue that you guys will see in the video. I showed everything on camera that I actually used, and here's the e.l.f. glue that I used. Now, when I was actually patting it down to apply it to the eye, it's like I don't know, they just meshed. They just blended in together, and there was no more chunky happening. I mean, look at that. It is gorgeous. It is stunning. I absolutely love that blue glitter. It's gorgeous. Again, this is Alice Liddell. Beautiful, beautiful shade. And then on my cheeks, of course, I used her highlighter that we received as a mystery gift in one of our previous bags. And this is 151 as usual. I did not use any of the other shadows this month because unfortunately I didn't have anything that I felt would look well with this blue glitter. And I wanted to try to do a really, really good job, y'all. I even got blue eyeliner on. So this here is Copacetic Cosmetics Z palette. So cute. Love it. 15 bucks on her site. Now, something new that Copacetic Cosmetics has started doing is you earn points for everything that you buy. Also, the first Tuesday of every month, she has a fantabulous sale. She is on TikTok. She is on Instagram. She is on Facebook. Copacetic Cosmetics is going everywhere, you guys. And I understand it from the quality of the eyeshadows. I truly, truly do. I do love her shadows very, very much. All right, my loves, that's it for our Copacetic Cosmetics $12 cutie bag for the month of August. As always, I will leave a link down in the description for you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know if you enjoyed the tutorial. If you would like me to do more close-up tutorials, like a full screen for you and not just in the corners, I don't have a problem doing them either way for you guys. All right, your girl's going to go. See you guys later. Hope you're having a fantabulous sleep. Bye, guys.